This is that walkway that I filmed here at Lake Lynn on late Friday. The railings were totally underwater. You can see the water's gone down quite a bit now. I'll insert a picture of what it looked like then. It's early Sunday morning, so the water has subsided a bit. It's going to leave a greasy, muddy mess on that walkway. We got 5 to 6 inches of rain here real quick, and it really just floods this lake from all the runoff. This bench here was partially underwater. Brought the ducks out. Go down a little further here and see what this end looks like for the other walkway in the back of the lake. This is back at the 1.25 mile marker that I had showed. All this was partially underwater here. To walk around it to the left, you can see all the debris that's been washed up here. Let's go down a little further, see how that walkway is doing. And here's the back side of the lake. Water's gone down quite a bit. You can see it gotten up here, washed a lot of debris up here. And can't get through here yet either. Yucky muck. That's the way this path's going to be for a while. You can see the railings to that walkway right there that goes around the lake. Still underwater. What a mess.